Hello everyone, this is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of Chronos Manager. Chronos Manager was developed by Sai Krishna and Jay Lee. So basically what this app does is more like your own personal time manager. You can get an event management calendar, note makers, and then to-do list that can be integrated to Munch Eye. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details, and I shall also take you to the members area so you can see how that area looks like. And do not forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button as well. And as usual guys, I've also added some of my awesome bonuses today, customized bonuses for you that will go well with this package. Just stick with me and we shall discuss that in a minute. So guys, let me take you to the sales page. Let's see how it looks like. So once you log in, this is actually the sales page, and Say and Jelly today are saying that it is a breakthrough, that Chronos Manager is a breakthrough software that organizes their time in a few simple clicks, giving them back their freedom. And right here are the features of this product, this software, that is cloud-based, no downloading or installations, easy to use, 100% beginner-friendly, munchai.com integrated calendar, events calendar, notes makers, to-do list, complete members area plus training, 0 monthly fees, and then of course 30-day money back guarantee. And they're saying that is a top notch. So they're saying that if you purchase this product and you do not like it, you can be refunded, provided you request for your refund within 30 days. Remember guys that this product is going live today in just a matter of a few hours from now. All right, so these are the people that put together this product. This is Sai Krishna here, and this is Jelly Saunders. And guys, let me take you quickly down to what they have made. So from the screenshots, I believe this is Warrior Plus. This is what they have made so far using this software. And in a minute, I'm going to take you guys down to the bonuses that they have added that goes well with this product. And this is you say. He has said something about how the Chronos Manager helped his business. And these are the things you will be getting today using Chronos Manager. Like I mentioned earlier, the features right here, and that I've already mentioned already. So guys, let me take you to the sales to the bonuses quickly. Let's see what they have added. So today Jay Lee and Sai Krishna added 5 bonuses. So the first one they added is they said is a traffic handbook, and basically it is worth $397. And the second one that they added is profit from PLR, and it's worth $297. And the third one they added is YouTube ad excellence, which is worth $397. And of course the fourth one is the evergreen system, which is worth $497. And then the PLR hackathon, which is worth $397. And speaking of bonuses guys, let me show you the ones that I've added today for you that complements what they have added, and I'm pretty sure you will love them. So the first one that I added is a 10 local SEO hacks that will teach you how you can rank your videos and your blogs online. And then the second bonus that I added is the 40 high quality tutorial lead magnets. Of course, you need leads, you need lists, and of course to be able to convert, sell, or make money online. And of course the third one that I added today is access to Atomic done for you. And then the fourth one guys is the traffic handbook. And of course the fifth one, you have access to all the vendor bonuses. So guys, do not forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. It will bring you to my page. And this sales page right here is where you'll have access to all the bonuses that I've added. If you're purchasing through Warrior Plus, click on the blue button where it says access affiliate bonuses. My bonuses shall automatically be added, guys. Yes, it shall be added. And now I have shown you the bonuses. Let me show you the prices, guys. So the front end is $37. You have access to the software and the training modules. And then the upsell 2, which is the manager for Android, is $27. And then the upsell 2, which is the manager plus, is $37. So you have additional functionality added. So you get access to Chronos Manager software, but you also get your very own Pomodoro time management software also. And then the third one, the third upsell, which is a one-to-one coaching, is $97. So you have access to the guys that put together this app. Basically, they will teach you, and then if you have questions, they will also be there to answer. And then the fourth upsell, which is launch a product with them, is $997. So you get to launch a product with them once you purchase this product. All right, and then I've already shown you guys the benefits from using this app. Now guys, let me show you the members area, how it looks like. So once you log in, guys, this is what you see. This is the Chronos Manager members area. So you can sign in and out by clicking on this like clog wheel stuff on the right hand side. And then this is the event calendar, the upcoming products launches on Warrior Plus, the notes makers. That's what will allow you to easily visualize and create notes. And then to-dos, the to-do list right here allows you to easily visualize and create to-do lists, guys. So let's see if, let me just click on it and see if it opens. Okay, it does open. So this is your calendar and all of that stuff. And then let's go back and see launches on Warrior Plus. So this I do not have access. Okay. And then let's see the notes. Okay, right here, if you click on it, it shows you the Chronos, the date it was created and all, and the time as well. And then this is the watering plants and stuff. So, and then to-do lists, you can add whatever that you want to get done on that list. Like this is autoresponder, meet the boss, prepare videos for funnels and all that stuff, all that good stuff. So guys, that's it. Basically, it's not that complicated once you log in. It's self-explanatory right here. Nothing much to be done. All right, guys. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you guys for purchasing through my link. Do not forget to have access to my bonuses. You click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you right here. This is my bonus page right here. And as a reminder, this product goes live today in a matter of few hours, but you have access to my bonuses for the next 3 days. Once this timer runs out, guys, you might not have access to all the bonuses that I've mentioned. Thank you guys so much for listening, for watching, for sharing, and I will see you guys in my next video. You do